Guys, I've discovered something, and it's of great importance, and I have to share this with you. Now I'm whispering to you because the creatures that I've discovered the secret of, some of them have very sensitive hearing, and they're planning to take over the world. Now, do you honestly think that Alfred Hitchcock made The Birds as just, an entertaining horror movie? No, it was a warning to us all. The birds are fucking evil. They are literally the descendants of dinosaurs, cold-blooded killing machines. And as we all know, the dinosaurs were an integral part of helping the Nazis during the Second World War. PewDiePie is a very good historical source on this. Now, do you honestly think their descendants wouldn't also be cold-blooded and want to kill people? Before you know it, they will hijack our technology to kill us all. What is that? Hey, you blonde guy over there. Do you see what it is?
Oh my god!
Killing humans!
Smoke weed every day.